Dear students, today we will read Lost Lesson by Jung. In this chapter, the writer talks of the pathetic condition of the people of Simapur who have migrated there from Bangladesh in 1971 because their land and their houses were hit there by some storms and they had to migrate to Simapuri, which is in the outskirts of Delhi. These people are living now in mud houses without any facility of drainage system, drinking water, electricity, and there are no schools for their children. With the result, their children are deprived of joy, education, growth, and freedom. They are not able to go to playing fields, etc. They lack every kind of facility. The narrator meets these people almost every day. He talks about Sahib Alam, a child who is born in one of these families. He asks Sahib Alam, why you have not gone to school? Sahib Alam tells him that there is no any school in the whole neighborhood. The writer tells him if he builds a school, will he go there? Sahib Alam tells him he will definitely join the school. After some days, Sahib Alam again meets him, the writer, and asks him, has he built the school? The writer and his young feels embarrassed and thinks that such hollow promises are made every day, day in and day night by the people, and those promises are never been fulfilled. These people have resorted to rag picking, which means that they collect the discarded items which actually the people throw in garbages. These people collect those discarded items and sell them, and in this way they earn a bit of living. Sahib Alam is also doing the same job. After some time, he adopts to some other business. He joins a milk booth and earns 800 rupees per month and a meal every day. But he doesn't enjoy now the freedom, the liberty which he used to enjoy when the plastic bag was hanging on his shoulders. The children born in these families are almost every day without chapels or without shoes because they are not in a position to buy these things, these items from the market. The writer meets another boy whose name is Mukesh. He lives in Firozabad town, where the people are occupied with the business of making bangles, manufacturing bangles. These people also live in utter poverty. They are also deprived of almost every facility. The elder people, they sit in dark rooms and the younger ones sit by them and they weld those and solder those glasses and frame them into beautiful bangles. Savita, a girl sitting there, also makes and helps the elders in manufacturing those bangles, but she doesn't know the value and importance of these bangles. However, everybody complains there that this business is not profitable for them and it doesn't earn them even a single day's meals. The writer asks them, why don't they adopt to some other business, or why don't they engage themselves into a cooperative? To this, they say that if they engage into a cooperative, the police will drag them to jails. They will be lodged there by the police. Even the middlemen, the politicians, the bureaucrats, the police, and every responsible person is responsible for this very thing, that they don't want to put the bag of this poverty down from their shoulders. With the result, their children, they also live very much pathetic lives. They are deprived of happy days, freedom, life. They can't enjoy the lovely youthful days. The writer is very much perturbed by this condition of these people, and he wants to bring to limelight this condition so that the persons at the helm of affairs and other responsible citizens of the society may come forward and help them so that they may be brought out from this very pathetic condition. This is the end of the lesson.